Now I'm going to show you how to connect your Wi-Fi adapter to your Cal Linux virtual machine. But before we do that, I highly recommend using this Wi-Fi adapter because it does work with Linux and it supports injection. So the first one is from TP-Link. It costs about $10 and the model is N150. Don't buy the AC600 because it doesn't work with Linux and you have to install the drivers and it's going to be a little bit complicated. And the other one is from Alpha, and I highly recommend this Wi-Fi adapters, and actually I'm using it and it works with me properly, so I have no issues with this adapter. So now let me show you how to connect your Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, here we go. Just go to the top from here to this bar and go to VM, removable devices, and here we go, Railink 802, and connect. And I think it's connected there now. I'm gonna open a new terminal and check whether it's connected or not. So I'm gonna type iwconfig, and as you can see, it's connected, double line 0, and the mode is managed. And now we are ready to go to the other section to learn more about the networks and how we can hack it.